Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Bank of the West account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, on the search engine type in www.bankofthewest.com and hit enter. Once the home page of the Bank of the West opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the sign in button, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, just on the right hand corner of the password text field, you'll see a forgot your password option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in your credentials. You have to fill in your username here and click on the continue button. Make sure that your username is filled in correctly. After you click the continue button, and if you have filled in your username correctly, you'll be directed to another page where you will be further guided to reset your password. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on your Bank of the West account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.